I'm really trying to help you out with these. I know the sweet tooth is tough. Whatever nutrition journey you're going on, man, I know that sweet tooth can kick in. Use these options to kick back, all right? If your sweet tooth keep wrecking your diet, in this video, I'm gonna show you some options that I use. Whenever that sweet tooth kicks in, I'm ready to kick back. So check out some of these options. Let me know if you use some of these options. If not, man, check these out, okay? Try to fit them into your diet, especially if the sweet tooth is wrecking it. As long as you measure this out, you should be all right, okay? So make sure you measure all this out. However, man, just enjoy it and don't let your sweet tooth knock you off your goals, all right? So check these out. Okay, now one of my top go-tos, I keep this in the freezer right here. Halo Top ice cream. You gotta keep this in your freezer. If you're low fat, if you're keto, it doesn't matter, all right? So make sure you're measuring it out, all right? 2/3 cup is gonna put you at 90 calories, okay? So we got 90 calories, only 2 grams of fat, okay? 5 grams of protein. What I like to do with these is I like to mix it in with the protein shake. The vanilla bean, you can mix it in with a chocolate if you want to. Half of this with this, it tastes amazing. You're getting your protein, plus you're getting your sweet tooth killer, and it's not setting you back. It is not setting you back. You're gonna be all right, okay? Premier Protein also has one that's 30 grams of protein. You can use these if you want. Opios has one as well, 30 grams of protein. You can mix this in with your ice cream. Just any way you can to get your protein in, plus your ice cream, plus your sweet tooth, it will just really knock it out, okay? So try this out, especially if you're struggling with that. I know a lot of people struggle with the sweet tooth issue and snacking, right? Because especially whenever you're on a weight loss diet, or you're changing your eating habits, or if you're going low carb or something like that, your sweet tooth is going to kick in big time. You got to be ready, because if not, you're going to sit there and binge on stuff you should not be eating, okay? Now, if you are keto, these are really good, all right? These Rebel, now they're higher fat, okay? 2/3 cups of this coming in at some more calories, 210 calories, only 2 grams of protein, 19 grams of fat, okay? So 19 grams of fat. If you're keto, go with this option. Now, pro tip here, if you're looking to get more protein in, all you gotta do is just mix in a protein shake, all right? So I like to go with Core Power Vanilla. This is 42. You don't have to use this entire bottle. Use half of the bottle. Just mix it in with 2/3 cup of this, and you kind of make you like a float, like an ice cream float, okay? So if you mix these two, you're gonna get your protein, plus you're gonna get your fats, okay? And you'll still stay on target, all right? So that's a way to get your protein with any of these. So you're getting your protein and you're getting your ice cream, you're knocking out a sweet tooth. It's a win-win all the way around, okay? So definitely check these out. Like I said, if you're going keto, these are pretty good. This mint chip tastes pretty good. It's just got a lot of fat in it, all right? So if you're going low fat, do not go this route, all right? This is not the way you wanna go, okay? Do not go this route if you're going low fat. But if you are keto, this is a great option, okay? Now, if you need a super quick option, these are my favorite. Hands down, the best tasting bars I have found. Low calorie, not gonna set you back, and it knocks out a sweet tooth. I usually have like one in the evening time and don't feel bad at all, okay? These Yasso Greek yogurt bars. If you haven't tried them, you need to try these, all right? I highly, highly recommend you try something like this out. These are amazing, all right? This is the cookies and cream. I love them. My kids love them. I mean, they just taste so good. I'm telling you, one bar, 90 calories. If you can't spare 90 calories, then you're doing something wrong, all right? So 90 calories is not gonna set you back, man. 5 grams of protein, that's just fine. If you need to, add a protein shake with it. But in the evening time, I find that whenever I'm ready to eat these, I'm already at my protein goals, okay? So you should hit your protein goals by the time you have these for dessert in the evening, all right? So these are just fine at night after you've already eaten dinner. And like I said, if you're going low carb, that sweet tooth is gonna kick in. And these are perfect for you, okay? So try these out. There's different flavor. This is my favorite flavor right here. This black raspberry chip. It just, I don't know what else to say. It just tastes amazing. You have to try this out. We got 100 calories per bar, 2 grams of fat, 16 carbs, okay? This is not gonna set you back that much, okay? So if you can't add these into your current diet, then something might be wrong with your diet. You need to reevaluate your diet a little bit, your nutrition, because this should be able to fit in. At the end of the day, you should be able to fit this in, okay? Or sometime during the day. So I'm just saying, use these options instead of going with your old options that you used to do that put you in the position that you're in right now. where you need sweet tooth options to try to get back on track or stay on track. I use these to stay on track, okay? It's about the habits that we build. You don't have to give up foods. You just got to find different options, all right? Now, this is the other one. If you're really worried about the calories and you're like, man, this is just gonna, the calories are getting to me mentally. You know, it's difficult mentally. When you're going on a diet, man, everything counts, okay? Everything counts, and everything in your head is like, should I eat that? Should I not? Is it gonna affect me? Is it gonna throw me off my diet? It's a big thing, okay? So if you're worried about that, go with the Fudge. All right, the Fudge one right here, 80 calories, okay? If you don't have 80 calories to spare, then it's time to reevaluate some stuff, all right? 80 calories, all right? 5 grams of protein, 80 calories, no fat, okay? So these are no fat. If you're going, oh, I need, you know, fat is what's getting me fat, you know, if you're one of those, go with these. No fat, all right, coming in, 15 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein, 80 calories. All right, so you can spare 80 calories. These are a go-to for sure. Keep these in your freezer because that sweet tooth will kick in. And when it does, you say, I got you, sweet tooth. Check this out. Bam. You get you one of these and it's going to take care of it. I guarantee it'll take care of it, okay? If this doesn't work with just this, then have half of a protein shake. That's not going to set you back, and you're going to get some more protein, and it's going to either be vanilla, chocolate, whichever flavor you want to go with. That'll knock your sweet tooth out, and you can feel good about yourself because you didn't go binge on an entire bucket of ice cream or cookies or whatever it is, okay? Oh, you chocolate covered almonds because you heard almonds are healthy. Yeah, and you cover them with chocolate. Yeah, good luck on that one. Okay, so I'm just telling you, you know, these are ways that I get around stuff like that. These are ways that I've always gotten around stuff like that. And I want to share it with you because I think this is important. It's very important if you're on a weight loss journey. You need to start making some different substitutions. You need to start trying to add other things into your eating habits because it's what you currently have is what's gotten you in this position, okay? So take some of these options. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you've tried these Yasso, I'm guessing that's how you say it. Who cares how you say it? Because these things are great. I'm telling you, there's so many different flavors too. Find one that fits into your diet. Find one that fits into your head mentally, okay, that you're gonna feel okay with, all right? I'm telling you, you can't feel okay with 80 calories, 5 grams of protein at the end of the day, because you said, hey, I earned it, you know, and that sweet tooth's kicking in. I'm not going for those cookies. I'm going for one of these, just one, all right? So this makes it a little bit easier too than like a pint, okay? Because this you have to measure out. You physically have to get a spoon and put it in a measuring cup or on a scale, all right? This is already done for you, okay? So this right here, you can just boom, just get one out, eat it, and then give yourself a few minutes to digest it. All right, don't try to just grab something else real fast because you need it. Oh, that sweet tooth is it's so strong right now. If you have to, keep one of these on deck too, okay? It doesn't have to be the 42. It can be I think they have a 24. Whatever protein shake you want to go with, just keep these ready. Keep them cold because they taste great cold, and they'll also knock out a sweet tooth as well. Okay, now I've had videos where I show how to use these and make protein ice creams with the Ninja Creamy. If you can, go get you a Creamy. I'm telling you, boy, them Creamies is something serious. But that's for another video. So this is just stuff that you can buy. If you don't have a Ninja Creamy, you can buy these at the store. Go try them out and let me know what you think on these, okay? Hopefully these help you out. I'm really trying to help you out with these. I know the sweet tooth is tough. I know whenever you go on your weight loss journey or whatever nutrition journey you're going on, man, I know that sweet tooth can kick in. Use these options to kick back, all right? I'll talk to you next time. Let's get better. Let's go.